Hello everyone, today we'll be conducting a pH water test, but before we proceed, I'll tell you what the water analysis means. So basically, water analysis is testing the water to know its true chemical properties, its biological properties, and its physical properties. So the pH test that we will do right now will basically determine the water's physical properties. So let me tell you a little bit about the pH test that we're going to do. So this is a litmus paper and it is a number from 1 to 14, 1 being the most acidic and 14 being the most basic, and 7 is the neutral point. So here I have two waters with me right now today. This is the underground water and this is the filtered water. Salinity. So I have a litmus paper with me here, and I'm dipping one in underground water and one in the filtered water. I have to wait for them to dry off. So please come and look at this. So this is the underground and this is the pure water, and both have the same factors of the result, because both will indicate a bit more of this 7 color and even this. This is indicating more towards the yellow color, means this is more acidic and this is more basic in nature. So that was the pH test, and thank you. So the second test is the alkalinity test. So alkalinity test is also known as water's buffering capacity, and this test will tell us the water's ability to neutralize acids and bases and maintain them at an adequate pH level. So for this experiment, we need reagent Al1, reagent Al2, water, syringe, and a test tube. So first of all, we'll put 5 ml of water into the test tube. You have to be very careful when you put it. The beakers are very clean. Yes, so this is 5 ml. So now I'll first add reagent Al2. 1 or 2 drops will be okay. And I'll be using here a little bit of drops. So I'll just take a syringe. So I'll just put little drops, tiny drops. So now I'll shake it properly and it's dissolved. Now you can see the color. Now I will titrate it by adding reagent Al1. We also need just a few drops of it. So I'll just put, we need 1 ml of it. I'm so sorry. We'll need 1 ml of reagent Al1 and we'll titrate it. So to titrate it, little, and then shake it until there is a visible color change. So you can see the color is changing. Maybe a little bit more, and it's changed. So the titration is complete. So now we will record the recordings of how much of the reagent did we use, which is 0.7, approximately 0.8. Now we will do the calculations. After the experiment, we got this solution, calcium carbonate, and yeah, this is the final product. Thank you. So the third experiment is hardness. Hardness is basically something that prevents the lathering of foam in your hands while you use soap, means no bubbles will be formed. Hardness is usually caused by calcium and magnesium cations and some other cations, and also there are some anions responsible for it, like bicarbonate, carbonate, sulfur, etc. So it is naturally sourced from limestones, and its effect is, there's no real effect in our health issues, but also we have found some small role of it in heart diseases. So it's better if we take a precaution for it, and it's better if we don't use it in washing, laundering, etc. So now I'll continue the experiment. So for that you need an EDTA, Erythrochrome black tea, ammonia buffer, a test tube, and a 1 ml syringe. Yeah. So let's start with the experiment. So first, transfer 5 ml into the beaker. Oh, too much. I will add 1 to 2 drops of ammonia buffer. This is ammonia buffer. And we'll just add little bit of drops. 1, 2 drops. Now I'll shake it. This will raise the water's pH to 10. Now we'll use the Eriochrome black tea and we'll add a few pinch of it, and I'll be using a spoon for it. This is the color. Now we'll take 1 ml of the EDTA solution and we'll titrate the solution again. 1 ml and we'll titrate the solution. We will slowly titrate the solution. Changed to a very dark blue color. The amount of EDTA that has been consumed to make this, we'll multiply it by 400, and that will give us the value of hardness of the water. So around 3 ml of EDTA, and 3 into 400 is 1200. 1200 is the hardness value of this solution. And that's the experiment. Thank you. So those were all the experiments. I hope you liked it. And please be careful when you try this at home, as it might stain your clothes or your hands and so might be dangerous. And make sure children don't go near it. Thank you.